It is here. It's here. It is here. I know y'all like, what the heck is here? We about to find out, y'all. Just what? Oh my God, there's that dang knife. I told y'all the knife shows up whenever I get ready to do an unboxing. But I'm glad it's here because we're getting ready to open this up, you guys. All right. Hang on. Almost there. Almost. Y'all see this wrapping on here? By the way, this video is not sponsored by them at all, you guys. I just ordered this product myself with my own money. 1 second. All right, y'all. It's a purse. Aren't you excited? I am. I know y'all excited. Y'all see my nails too. Ah, yes, I think I did that on these. So, it's so nice. I'm just like looking at it in amazement. I was supposed to get it monogrammed on the back, and I guess when I was on the site it didn't go through because I don't see my monogram on the back. But you can get it like on the purse and get it in the back, or you can get it in the front, and they usually have it up above his name. So I don't know, it didn't come through, but that's fine. Because like I said, next time when I order, I'll make sure that I call. And you guys might want to do the same, because I'm going to put the link to this outlet in the description. And you can purchase at your own risk. Like I said, I am not sponsored by Micheal Kors by any means. And I just happened to purchase this purse off of an outlet website that is their own. And yeah. So wanted you guys to see this purse, and it was on sale, you guys. I think it was part of their Black Friday. The handle. Y'all see all this bubble wrap? Wow. You know that's the little liner, y'all. Those of us that wear these purses quite often know that they usually have a little liner that you could put in. So, you know, that way your purse doesn't get discolored. Because, you know, sometimes we'll have makeup or something. And, but this actually is a little bag, you guys. And it's awfully cute. It's a little satchel, so it's really cute. But yeah, you can still use it as a liner, and you just put it in there so that your purse, like when you, because us ladies, we carry a lot of stuff, you know, like makeup and all various things that could spill. So y'all see the inside is pretty roomy, and you know, he's got that little tag. Yeah, he's pretty big in there because of these things on the side. But you can see in here, he is big. He's big enough for me, you know, and I like big purses, you guys. And I love this, and I love the color. And like I said, one trick that I do when I'm shopping is if I'm shopping off of like a designer outlet like this one or the other one that I showed you, Coach, a lot of times they'll have the oddest color on sale because it's not doing as well as the other popular colors. So as long as you can tolerate different various colors, like this orange, and I think this orange is pretty myself, like this burnt orange is what it's considered. And I think I got the last one, and this color happened to be way cheaper than the popular colors, like the blacks and the whites and the pinks. So, you know, and I love me a white purse, don't get me wrong, y'all, but yeah. So anyway, check out their website if you wish, you know, but this is what came in that box, you guys. I'm super excited. So I will let you know how it carries and everything. I'm going to change into it because I happen to have another one that I'm changing out of. So, and I'm going to carry him for a couple of weeks so we can get a review on him and see how he handles and things. And for that, peace out.